the city streets and the stars come out to play. We'll stroll through shadows, our hearts will meet in a timeless sweet ballet. Underneath the glowing street lamps' charm, we'll whisper dreams in tune. In your gentle hold, away from harm, strolling neath the silver moon. Oh, a night in old New York, my love, where romance forever glows. We'll dance with whispers high above in the twilight's tender prose. The jazz notes float through hazy skies as the city hums a lullaby.